Hey everybody, it is Cecily Simmons and the wonderful community of East Cobb in Marietta. Come with me and let's take a look inside. All right, after trying to unlock the lockbox for like probably 30 minutes, this is Cecily. Welcome to my channel. In this video, you'll get a behind-the-scenes look in what it's like to be a realtor in Atlanta, Georgia. And by the way, if you or someone you know is looking to buy or sell real estate in the Atlanta, Georgia area, my info is in the description box below, and let's get on a call soon to discuss how I can assist you with all of your real estate needs. All right, we are at going to do a little agent showing, so come on inside. This is in the wonderful community of East Cobb. Let's take a look inside. And cut. All right, so I'm back in the warmth from my showing today. You just saw me at 3041 Riverbrook Court. Amazing, beautiful property. Wonderful community. I really love that. It's a nice gated community inside of East Cobb, like so centrally located to shopping, grocery stores. We'll go into that in another video. But it said 19 degrees. Y'all know this is Atlanta. We're not really about this cold weather life, and I really felt so strongly about this property that I really wanted to share. My hands were literally turning into ice blocks as I was speaking. So anytime you see me outside in that video, just know that I was in excruciating pain. And I decided to push through because I really believe that this is a beautiful home and that you needed to see it. So don't wait, put an offer in. It was so cold. I'm just grateful to be back in where there's heating because I felt like I was roughing it out there in the Himalayas. You know what's really cold? Antarctica today. Antarctica hands, okay? I could feel my blood freezing as I was filming that, but I really enjoyed it today. So I will drop a link to the lovely property, and I have some more coming. Make sure you follow Cecily Sells ATL. That's Cecily Sells ATL. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Okay, so after this, I took a little nap for like an hour, and then I had to get ready to head into Buckhead. Actually, one of the areas that has some of the wealthiest zip codes in Atlanta is in Buckhead. I'll tell you more about that in a later video on Atlanta's wealthiest zip codes. Don't worry, I'll be talking about the wealthiest zip codes that are in Metro or Greater Atlanta as well, which will include the wealthier suburban zip codes too in a separate video. This is what we did after my nap. I really needed it after my morning in the cold. And here we are going into Carmel. Fabulous restaurant. It was still really cold, so I still have this gigantic jacket on. But I didn't care at this point because I was all about keeping nice and toasty and warm. Now, the restaurant that we chose, as I mentioned, was Carmel, and it had a great menu. They describe it as being a love letter to the coast, combining all the elements that you experience when you're near the coast. But it felt so good to get out and to be celebrating with family. Anytime that I can catch up with my family, I'm always grateful for, because family first. So this was all in all a wonderful evening. I loved the decor of the restaurant, the views and the scenery. I got to be honest, it kind of reminded me of being in LA, except it's Atlanta. I mean, it was really just about the magnificence of the Buckhead views and the glimpses of like the skyline from inside the restaurant. And I feel like the last time we had dinner down here, the restaurants are they really know how to capitalize on the views. And when you're down here in this area, it's like, oh, it just feels so lavish and everything. So anyway, that was Saturday. Today, I have a showing a property for a agent from my brokerage. And this is what I'm wearing. It was still really cold, so I grabbed my velvet jacket here. It's kind of makes me feel like Trinity from the Matrix, just a little bit, even though it's not black. But today we are showing a property in Marietta. This should be fun. We're doing it, like I said, for a fellow agent closer to historic Marietta. And it should be a good learning experience. It's still kind of chilly, so I think this was a good option to go with for extra insulation. So let's go. It is Cecily here, and we are headed to a showing. We're showing a property for another agent from the brokerage. A little peek inside some of the other activities that agents do. We do showings as well. So I'm really excited. This will be my first time doing this, and I'm getting there a little early to make sure that I don't have any issues unlocking the lockbox like yesterday. But we will be closer to historic Marietta Square for another customer who wants to view a property. So come along with me, and I will give you the rundown on how things went. Let's go. All right, so we're at the property here. So I'm gonna go inside and open the lockbox and get everything set up for this showing. So let's go. Seems to be stuck. Whenever I try to push, nothing's happening. And I can't really get it to come out of the position. All right, after trying to unlock the lockbox for like probably 30 minutes, almost canceling it, I got it open. So, how we doing?
Good.
Good. Okay, now this home is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's got lots of updates. You'll notice that it has these great hardwood floors throughout the property. There's a new deck on the back, the granite countertops. It featured a tiled backsplash, freshly painted white wood cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. Something else you'll notice is there's some wonderful archway features in and out of the exits and entrance points throughout the house. So that's a nice touch. Some great pluses about this property. Well, it's 1,968 square feet. It is a great location. Wonderful lot. The property has a new roof. Now, like I said, with the location, you can't go wrong. It's close to historic Marietta Square. So lots of activities and entertainment options. Also, it's really close to the Battery and Truist Park where the Braves play. Here's a little peek into the overlook, the new deck, the backyard, and all that wonderful wooded land for wonderful breathtaking views in the mornings or in the evenings when you're grilling. I think this is a great deal for the location alone. Also very close to major highways, so easy access in town and actually getting farther out of town. Lots of versatility and benefits for the location of this property. So if you'd like to make an offer on this property, reach out to me. I can definitely help you. Adrienne Gary is the listing agent for this property with Keller Williams Atlanta North. So yeah, that was it. That was my Sunday. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of the basement, but if you'd like to know more, reach out to me and get out here and take a look at this wonderful property for yourself. I mean, literally it was finished all of the way down to the basement. Those wonderful floors continued throughout. Lots of great space and also lots of good storage. So we're in the house. We got in after not giving up. Don't give up. It's cold. Make sure you keep trying those lock boxes. They are very temperamental. We're going down to the basement. Oh, wow. This is the laundry area. This is a door. Oh, wow. Lots of storage. Look at this marble right here, you guys. I love marble, by the way. So this was a wonderful surprise to discover on the basement level. Like I said, this was my Sunday. Anybody looking to buy property, sell property, you know who to call, Cecily the Realtor. You can head over to my website. The link will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you refer me to anybody you know that's looking to buy real estate in Atlanta. Peace.